Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pro Value series number SZPR5-SN. This is a zinc die-cast zinc satin nickel finished cabinet knob, and I have one removed from the packaging. So, it's made of zinc. Zinc is an incredibly abundant base material that's mined out of the earth. It's very inexpensive, it's non-ferrous, and it gives you a really nice finish. So all of that conspires to give you a good quality knob at a really great price. The value is tremendous when it comes to Pro Value series. They say that this is 1.25 inches. Let's test that with our tape measure. Outside diameter, looks like it's closer to about 1 3/16. The overall projection of the knob looks like it's right at 1 inch. This is going to include the typical 832 by 1 inch machine screw with a truss head style for your typical 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet front installations. There is some extended description information down below that tells us it's zinc die cast, it has a satin nickel finish, gives us our diameter and our projection, tells us about our screw. If you don't need knobs made of an architectural base material like brass or bronze, or it's a some unusual, highly unusual or designer sort of look, Pro Value is a tremendous option when it comes to really nice quality. The fit and finish, the initial reaction say, wow, that's awfully heavy. This weighs 0.11 pound. It weighs over 1/10 of a pound, just this knob itself. So it's not insignificant in the weight, and the weight doesn't really necessarily have anything to do with actual quality, but perceived quality, I would argue that it does. If something feels heavy in your hand, you say, oh, that's good. Is it? I don't know. Is cast iron better than aluminum when it comes to door closers? Cast iron's a lot heavier. Don't you want less weight on your door, wearing on your hinges, the whole 9 yards? Is heavier better? Who knows? Maybe not. But it sure does give us a perceived value. Increased value, and again, that zinc takes a really nice finish, that satin nickel. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can view all of the Pro Value products that we sell. There's a link to what's called the manufacturer's website, but it's just a very abbreviated listing of a few collections that they have when it comes to their material. And is not to be sought as a complete product offering. I'm not aware of them actually having a product catalog. If they do, we'll place it on that manufacturer's page. Any questions on the really neat, little nifty Pro Value SZPR5-SN cabinet knob or any other Pro Value series cabinet hardware, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.